Dear students, today we will solve few examples in direct labor remuneration system in Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 1 SY BCom semester 3 Veer Narmad South Gujarat University. Here is sum number 10. Mr. Ashok takes 80% of standard time to complete a job. For it, he gets rupees 20 more under HELSI plan than time wage system. Rupees 10 per hour rate of wages. Find out total wages and per hour effective rate of wages as per Rowan plan. This is from Veer Narmad South Gujarat University SY BCom April 2010 examination. Dear students, this is sum number 10 because up to sum number 9 we solved examples in our previous lecture. Here the information available: wages as per time wage system equal to time taken multiplied by wage rate, and wages as per HELSI plan is equal to time taken multiply wage rate plus time saved multiply wage rate multiply 50%. Dear students, here the difference between these two formulas is only wages amount. As per HELSI plan, Mr. Ashok gets rupees 20 more than time wage system. This 20 rupees more is only and only because of bonus for time saved. This excess amount is because of bonus under HELSI plan, and bonus under HELSI plan is equal to time saved multiply wage rate multiply 50%. So now we'll put available information. Bonus rupees 20 is equal to time saved as it is multiply wage rate rupees 10 multiply 50%. So next step, rupees 20 is equal to 5 time saved. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to time saved. So our time saved amounts to 4 hours. Now time saved 4 hours is 20% of time allowed, because Mr. Ashok completes his work in 80% of standard time. It means 20% of standard time is saved, and that is 4 hours. So therefore, if 20% time saved is equal to 4 hours, so 100% time allowed or standard time would be question mark. So our time allowed or standard time would be 4 by 20 multiplied by 100. So time allowed is equal to 20 hours, and time taken is equal to 20 hours multiplied by 80% is equal to 16 hours. Now earning under Rowan premium plan. Our formula for earnings is equal to TT time taken multiply wage rate plus time taken multiply wage rate multiply time saved upon time allowed. Now put the available data. Time taken 16 hours multiplied by rupees 10 plus again 16 hours multiply rupees 10 multiply time saved 4 hours divided by time allowed 20 hours. So next step, rupees 160 plus rupees 160 multiply 4 by 20. So we get earnings rupees 192 under Rowan premium plan, and now our effective wage rate is equal to earnings divided by time taken, that is 192 rupees divided by 16 hours is equal to rupees 12. Next, sum number 11. Information of a factory for specific week. Actual production 600 units in 60 hours. Per hour wage rate rupees 8. Standard time for production per unit 12 minutes. So calculate wages as per Rowan wage plan and HELSI wage plan. First of all, we will take the information available in the question. Actual time taken is equal to 60 hours. Wage rate per hour rupees 8 and standard time per unit is equal to 12 minutes. Therefore, standard time for actual production equal to 600 units multiply 12 minutes is equal to 7200 minutes, that is 120 hours. 7200 divided by 60 minutes. Now earnings under Rowan Premium Plan. Our formula for earning is time taken multiply wage rate plus time taken multiply wage rate multiply time saved upon time allowed. Now we will put available information. Time taken 60 hours multiply rupees 8 plus again 60 hours multiply rupees 8 multiply time saved 60 hours divided by time allowed 120 hours. So our earnings amount to rupees 480 plus rupees 240 bonus. So total earning under Rowan Premium Plan amounts to rupees 720. Now earnings under Healthy Premium Plan. Our formula is time taken multiply wage rate plus standard time minus time taken multiply wage rate multiply 50%, that is 60 hours multiply rupees 8 plus time allowed 120 hours minus 60 hours multiply rupees 8 multiply 50%. So our earnings amount to rupees 480 plus bonus rupees 240, that is rupees 720. Dear students, here you can see the proportion of time saved to time allowed under Rowan Premium Plan is 50%, 60 divided by 120, and here as per Healthy Premium Plan our bonus percentage 50. So when the worker completes his work in just half the time allowed, earnings under both the plan will be same. Here in our example it is rupees 720. Next, sum number 12. Mr. Govin produced 450 units in 120 hours. Rate per hour was rupees 5. The standard time for producing one unit was 20 minutes. But under incentive wage system, this time was increased by 20%. Find out total wages under Rowan Premium Plan. Dear students, this is from Veer Narmar South Gujarat University SY BCom November 2012 examination. First of all, we will take information available in the sum. Actual time taken 120 hours. Wage rate per hour rupees 5. Standard time per unit 20 minutes. Therefore, standard time for actual production of 450 units would be 450 units multiply 20 minutes is equal to 9000 minutes, that is 150 hours, that is 9000 minutes divided by 60 minutes. But in incentive scheme the standard time will be increased by 20%. So our standard time would be 150 hours plus 20% is equal to 180 hours. Now earnings under Rowan Premium Plan is time taken multiply wage rate plus time taken multiply wage rate multiply time saved divided by time allowed. Now we will put available information in the formula. Time taken 120 hours multiply wage rate rupees 5 plus again 120 hours multiply rupees 5 multiply time saved 60 hours divided by time allowed 180 hours. So our earnings amount to rupees 600 plus bonus rupees 200. So total earnings under Rowan Premium Plan amounts to rupees 800. Next example, sum number 13. Mr. Corona produced 200 units in a week. The guaranteed weekly payment for 45 hours is rupees 81. The expected time to produce one unit is 15 minutes. which is raised further by 20% under the incentive scheme. What will be the total earnings and earnings per hour of that worker under Halsey Premium Plan and Rowan Premium Plan? First of all, we will take necessary information. Here actual time taken 45 hours, wage rate per hour rupees 1.8, that is rupees 81 divided by 45 hours. Standard time per unit 15 minutes. Therefore standard time for actual production equal to 200 units multiply 15 minutes, that is 3000 minutes, and that is 50 hours. 3000 minutes divided by 60 minutes is equal to 50 hours. But in incentive scheme, the standard time will be increased by 20%. That is, standard time would be 50 hours plus 20% is equal to 60 hours. Now earnings under Rowan Premium Plan. Our formula is time taken multiply wage rate plus time taken multiply wage rate multiply time saved upon time allowed. Now we will put information in the formula. Time taken 45 hours multiply rupees 1.8 plus again 45 hours multiply rupees 1.8 multiply time saved 15 hours divided by time allowed 60 hours. So our earnings amount to rupees 81 plus bonus rupees 20.25. So our earning under Rowan Premium Plan amounts to rupees 101.25. Now earning under Halsey Premium Plan. Our formula is time taken multiply wage rate plus standard time minus time taken, that is time saved, multiply wage rate multiply 50%. Now we'll put necessary information in the formula. For time taken 45 hours multiply rupees 1.8 plus standard time 60 hours minus time taken 45 hours multiply wage rate rupees 1.8 multiply 50%. So our earnings amount to rupees 81 plus bonus rupees 13.5 and total earnings amount to rupees 94.5. That's all. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video lecture. We will meet very soon with new examples of labor costing in Advanced Accounting and Auditing Paper 1. Thank you very much.